Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door handle on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the handle is broken or because it's loose and it won't tighten all the way. For this repair, we'll be using a 5/16 nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So as you can see here, we've got a loose handle. In order to fix it, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off all these screws. We've got 2 screws on each side and 2 screws on top. And as we remove this last screw, just make sure you've got your leg up on the glass so that it doesn't fall out, because as you remove this last screw, that's what's holding everything together right now. And we don't want everything to fall apart. So, there we go. So now I'm holding the door here. I'm holding onto the glass in front, so that when I take off the top, the glass doesn't fall out. And I'll give it a little bit of slack so you can see. I'll let go carefully, but this glass is being held on by the 2 sides and then the top there. With that no longer on there, it's not held on. So if you want, you can take it out and set it off to the side so you don't accidentally drop it and break it. So as you can see here, handle's a bit loose still. So what we're going to do is we'll remove these screws. And we'll get rid of our old handle. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement handle. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put our handle on. We're just going to line up the holes. And if you take a look right here, on each side there are some slots on the trim, and those correspond to the slot or to the tabs on the handle. So we'll line up those slots, and that'll help with lining up the screw holes. And now we'll screw it back in. So now we're ready to put the glass back in. I want to slide it down into the bottom area first here. And now I'll line up both sides. So those are lined up. And now I can put this handle assembly back on top. And all I'm doing is sliding that in. And then the lip will go in front of the glass there. And once you've got everything lined up, you can start screwing everything back in. Once you've got those screws tightened on, you can close the door up, check on your handle and make sure it's nice and tight. Then your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.